Hi, this is the last of 10 videos on zip and unzip for now. I have just introduced zip with files and not folders, but I'll get back to that. One thing I haven't mentioned is that when we use zip, the files get compressed, right? But you don't have to use zip for compression. You can just store files in zip without compression, but let's take a look at that. What we have here is a file. It's just one JPEG now. We're not gonna do a lot. Let's do this simple. And it's 524K. Now, if I wanted to zip it, zip and container.zip as always, and the file you see here, it's compressed, right? And now we have the container here also, so let's take a tag sh, and you can see here that the file is 524 but the container is 184, so it is compressed. And if we look inside here with a tag L on the container, you can see that the file is inside. Now zip has compression rates, right, from 0 to 9, where it starts compressing at 1. The default is 6, and then 9 is the most you can compress a file. But of course it all depends on what type of files you put in there, right? Some files are compressed a lot from before, and then you have text files which really don't always compress. So that all depends. But for now, let's just store this file. So what we have now is just a file, right? So we'll take zip and then we'll tag 0, and the 0 there is for not compressing it, just storing it. And then the name of our zip file, which we will call container.zip, and the file itself. And you see here now that it's not compressed. And if we look here with a tag sh, human readable, you can see that the container.zip, our zip file, is 524, and the original file is 524. And that's kind of like how you store files without compressing them. And that's it for now. Next time, grep or wildcards, I haven't decided yet.